Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy fudge without condensed milk. First, gather your simple ingredients like sugar, butter, milk, and cocoa powder. We'll combine these in a saucepan and bring them to a boil. Then, after a quick cook, we'll add vanilla and pour it into a prepared pan. It's a straightforward process for a delicious, homemade treat. To start, you'll need just a few basic items from your kitchen. Granulated sugar forms the sweet foundation of our fudge. Unsalted butter is crucial for that rich, creamy texture we all love. A bit of milk helps bring everything together smoothly. For that classic taste, cocoa powder is essential, and a touch of vanilla extract will truly elevate the flavor profile. To begin, combine your sugar, butter, and milk in a sturdy saucepan over medium heat. Stir constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. Once boiling, continue to cook for about 5 minutes or until the mixture reaches a soft ball stage. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in your cocoa powder and vanilla extract until smooth and well combined. This quick cooking ensures a perfect texture. Once your fudge is mixed, pour it immediately into a prepared 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. Smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or chill it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Once firm, lift it out, cut into squares, and enjoy your homemade, no condensed milk fudge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.